Statement 2. The road to life is unpaved. When you're young, you learn from your teachers, your parents, your elders, that life is cookie cutter if you follow the rules. That everything will work out if you take the right route. You will step down the road virtually unscathed if you follow it to a T. However, many fail to mention that that's not how life worked for them. Only a small percentage of people follow a paradigm and have their life unfold exactly how they plan. But that's not how it works for the majority of us. Not for your teachers, not for your parents, not for your elders. Most of them have and are stumbling through the underbrush of life. They don't tell anyone because they want to keep up an appearance. They don't want you to be afraid and uncertain like they are. They think if you know life has no real way, you may go the wrong way. And they would blame themselves. Adding to the burdens they've already picked up on their life's journey. But they don't realize that guaranteeing a paved road only leads youth to feel like they are constantly failing. But know that you are not. Life is about exploration and discovery. There is no real path. There is only the path you create.